Hey friend, hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are making a pre-made fitness website. You already know my graphic design business is a little different. I make pre-made drop shipping stores, meaning you can start your own fitness brand without any inventory. So let's get straight into the video. So we are starting with Canva with the logo. You already know my Premade stores come with logos if you did not know. So I made up this store name myself. It is a fitness store. So we're just going to add some text and we're going to change the text and duplicate it. And I'm going to change the second part of the text to the word plump. It's a random name I made up for the store. And then I'm also going to change the font to cursive. And then I'm going to go back and center in the text together. And then I'm going to go ahead also and add in a peach on the dotted of the eye just to give it some razzle dazzle, which you're going to see right here. Now we're going to make the banners, which is size 2000 times 800 px. So I'm going to go ahead and add my stock photo, because when I add my stock photo, it gives me like the brand colors just from the photo, which I love. So that's how I go by branding my websites. And then I'll add the stock photos, and you already know stock photo is from the vendors we use for drop shipping. You can get the vendor's information if you purchase the Premade store, if you're drop shipping. And then I'll add some texture to the background and turn down the transparency, and I'm going to remove the background of the photo. Also, what you see me here doing with the second stock photo as well. And then I'm going to add a image shadow over each photo. I'm going to go ahead and add the text and center it in the middle to give the banner just a little spice. Since it is activewear brand, try to stick to, like activewear words, restock your favorites. And I'm going to add in an element box as well underneath that. And I do like to make my websites pretty simple, just because when a website has like a lot of things, I be confused. Like I get anxiety. Like, you know what I'm saying? I want to be sure my brain can dissect the website properly. So now we're making the second banner. Just going to duplicate the next page, change the colors, still in the color branding theme, turn down the transparency for the box element. And I'm going to add more stock photos to this banner. Now we are making the third and final banner. Just gonna go ahead and add a photo and make the third banner kind of like a class type of photo, since it's a fitness type store. I'm gonna go ahead and add that texture background, and I'm gonna turn down the transparency as well. Then I went ahead and changed the color babe in that curved arrow to the green color. Then I added dumbbells to the second banner. And now we're going to go back to Shopify under online store, customize, right under themes. And we're going to go ahead and add the logo and the banners. Now we're going to go ahead and add the first banner. After I save the banner from Canva, just straight syncing it from my laptop. And then I'm going to turn down the overlay and then delete all those or hide all those extra buttons, because we don't need all those extra buttons. I don't need all that. And then the second banner, download it. Going to insert the second banner as well. And at the top announcement bar, I'm going to go ahead and add some text and change that to branding color as well, just so it could fit more of the website and being cohesive. Now, if you want to know how to add collections, I'm going to go to product collections, and I'm going to go ahead and just make up some collections so I can, give the website a little, as I say, razzle dazzle, so I can add some photos to the collections. And this is how you go to the navigation bar, the main menu. Usually I delete catalog and then I'll put view all, and then I'll start syncing all the collections just so when I add the photos to the website, they will be very organized. And this is how you add products to your website. I click products and I'll add the photo straight from my laptop. Now, since I make dropshipping websites, I just add the photos just so the website can look put together. After I sell the website, I actually go back and delete the photos and sync the dropshipping vendor. But I'm just showing you guys how I add the photos and the collection to the website. This Premade fitness store is in the description if you want to view it or purchase it. It is for sale. I love the way this website came out. It's given fitness baddie and I've shopped with this vendor before, so link in the description to view the website, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.